Hello people, RTF here, riding the frequency. I am going to be making some random chicken adobo, a combination of a couple of recipes. Let me uncover that right there, sorry. Anyway, so these are the ingredients. You have onion, soy sauce, white vinegar, Baileys, peppercorn, salt and pepper, garlic cloves, chicken, and then there's the rice, and then there's the Instant Pot it's all going into. So I will see you when I start putting stuff in there. I'm gonna salt and pepper the chicken first, and then I guess put in all the ingredients. Anyway, see you on the other side. And we are at the finished product. Chicken adobo over rice. And now for the taste test of just the chicken only. Here it is. You can see the steam coming off of it. Yeah, boy.